What is happening, guys? Today we're looking at the review for Rhino Shield bumper case, the mod case that they have here. It's really nice. This is the 6-month review, I believe, and we're looking at the case for the iPhone 10. Let's take a look at here. This is the marble back and the black side as well bumper case. This is from Rhino Shield. This side right here comes off and you can change them, and you can buy a different color for them. Just pop it off, and same with this guy, just like that. Just pops off. Really a modular case for iPhone 10. It's really nice. Let me show you my iPhone 10 here. Try to put this case on just like that. Just pop it on like that. You know, one thing about this case is it only goes one way, I believe, from the front or from the back. There we go. As you can see, it's a nice bumper case. One thing I don't like about this is the side kind of curves out. As you could see there, kind of curves out. The nice thing about this is the buttons. As you can see there, it's much easier to use, very tactile. It's very nice. Now, I know I showed you the back side. This is what it looks like without the marble back. Now let me show you how to put this on. And this is the somewhat easy part. Taking it off is another thing. There we go. And see, now it shows the imperfection of the case right there. It's not flush. Right here it's somewhat bowed as well. You just gotta, it kind of settles by itself. But this part right here, as you can see, it's still bowed. So this is very nice case, very protective. I've seen like guys throw this and it gives them a lot of protection even from like 100 feet. I mean, I'm not gonna try it on for myself, but this is the potential of this case is really good. Very durable. As you can see there, let me take a look. There's that, and then the sides. Shows you the front. Very nice, right? Your volume rocker here is probably a little bit caved in, but it's not that bad. But yeah. So it's up to you guys to judge which is better, this one or the Dbrand grip. I feel like the Dbrand grip is nicer, especially on our next part here, taking it off. But this is nicer because it has the protective back. But the one thing I don't like about this is that it's very scratchy. I'll try to show you here. It's very scratchy. I mean, I only had it for like maybe a day. and the scratch was there already. I mean, it doesn't affect the whole case itself. It's just if you're very picky with your case being pretty and all, this is not the case for you. This is for rugged people who doesn't care about their case but cares about their phone just to protect it. Now the hard part, taking it off. This is where I struggle the most of trying to take it off. I find that if you pop the back part first, it makes it easier to take off. There. Not bad, huh? Now the much easier part, I guess, of this whole thing. Here we go. It's not that bad, right? Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. Comment below if you like this kind of case from Rhino Shield or you like the Dbrand case instead. As you can see, mine is a little bit bent already. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.